Hi everyone, I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. In this video, I want to show you this JETech iPad case protector. So this is for my iPad 6th gen. It also works on the iPad 5th gen. What I'm gonna do in this video is that I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna test my stylus pen to see if it still works with this case protector, because this case protector also has an integrated screen protector. And I'm gonna show you if the ports and all the controls and the cameras of the iPad will still be accessible with this case protector. First, clean the iPad screen, and then let's open the JETech case to see what's in the box. This is a strap in case you want to put the iPad on your shoulder. You can hang it on your shoulder with this case also. So the strap goes here. You just hang it like this from both sides, and then the iPad, you can hang it on your neck or on your shoulder like this. So for me, I'm gonna remove the strap now. The first thing you need to do is to deassemble the case protector so that you can put the iPad in it. It is a bit tough. So you see these arrows here. You need to put your finger here and just pull them outwards like this. You see how it pulls? Pull like this and pull all the way to remove it. So you need to be a bit tough on it to remove it. And this is it. The toughest part is on the corner here. So let's remove it all the way. And now you need to remove these latches here. You have also an arrow. So just like this, you can remove them. And discard this, of course. And here you have a protector inside. And this here, you need to remove it like this. So now make sure to align like the touch point on the opening of the touch point here and the camera on the opening of the camera. So put the iPad like this and slide it in. And now you need to put this opening where you have the iPad's controls here. So now you put it like this. And you just push it in from all the sides. So all the latches should go in. And now I'm gonna put this one back. So here, of course, also you have the controls here. You need to make sure that the controls will align with the controls of the iPad. Align it like this and put it in. It goes in. And on the corner, it's a bit tough. So just make sure to slide it in all the way. And now it is assembled. So now I'm gonna remove the screen protector here. And it really is very good. So the screen protector goes flush on the iPad. So let me show you the kickstand of this case. First, you have this latch here. So this is to hold the iPad like this if you want to. I'm gonna open it now to show you the stand of the iPad. So here it is like this. You can put your iPad like this. And what is good about it is that it turns. So if you want to put your iPad like this, you can put it like this, you can put it like this, and so on. So the possibilities are endless with this. So let me put it back in. It's a bit tough to put in. This is something I don't like very much. So the controls work really very good with the iPad and the screen is good. So the touch here works also. Let me see if my fingerprint will work. So the fingerprint is not working, and this is because my finger's position changed now. There's a case, so I need to reprogram my Touch ID here. So this is something that you need to pay attention to. So you need to reprogram your Touch ID if you have a large finger like mine. Maybe if you're using a smaller finger, it will work. So this is the stylus pen. I'm gonna turn it on and let's see if it works. So you see it's working and everything is accessible. So this is a camera, it's accessible. The controls are working also. You have here, this is for your 3.5mm jack. So it has an opening, and this is here for the speakers. So there's an opening. And this is the opening to charge the iPad. So this is a lightning port. And let me play something on the speakers to see if it is good. Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to prepare a Windows 11. So as you noticed, the sound is very good and it is not hindered by this case. Overall, I like this case. I got the case in pink because I'm gonna give this iPad to my mom and she likes the pink color. You can get it with many colors. So I'm gonna leave a link for this case in the description. This is an Amazon affiliate link. I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you if you make a purchase using my link, and this will help my channel. I wanna thank you all for watching, and I hope that this video was useful to you. In case it was, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House.